Hello everyone, and thank you for joining today. Firstly, I would like to express my gratitude to the organizer of this meeting for inviting me to speak to you all today. It's truly an honor to stand before you all and to have the opportunity to introduce you to the Korea e-government standard framework. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Chris Yoon, and I'm from e-Government Center. As a principal software engineer, my role is to share the Korean e-government standard framework with foreign countries that are interested in it. Thank you again for being here today, and let's get started. Today's presentation will be divided into 5 parts. First, I will introduce the e-Govframe. Secondly, I will discuss the changes that occurred before and after its implementation. Thirdly, I'll dive deeper into the concept, provide more details, and showcase the latest release version. Towards the end, I will focus on the global partnership, e-Govframe Center, and its services. Let's begin the presentation. The Ministry of Interior and Safety is a government ministry responsible for the procurement and supervision of e-Govframe, which is an e-government standard framework. This framework plays a vital role in enhancing the quality of e-government services and optimizing the efficiency of IT investment. Ministry of Interior and Safety works closely with the National Information Agency to oversee the development and the maintenance of e-Govframe through the e-Govframe Center. The two organizations work together to promote efficient government operations, innovation, and digital transformation in the public sector. Without a standard framework in government agencies, it can result in redundant development, hindering interoperability and collaboration. e-Govframe has successfully addressed this issue by eliminating duplication of effort, saving time and resources, and fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing among the agencies. Vendor dependency, which limits flexibility and competition, is also mitigated by e-Govframe. As an open source based standardized framework, it promotes interoperability, community support, cost efficiency, and innovation in the public sector. Furthermore, e-Govframe ensures fair competition and for small and medium-sized businesses, providing equal opportunities for them to participate in e-government services and contribute to innovation and the growth of small business sector. The significance of standard framework becomes apparent when considering interoperability. Interoperability refers to the ability of different systems and applications to communicate and exchange data seamlessly. Without a standard framework, achieving interoperability can be challenging, as each system may follow different protocols and structures. However, with a standardized framework in place, interoperability becomes more attainable and efficient. The adoption of a software framework is more advantageous in terms of ease of maintenance compared to not having one. With a framework in place, maintenance becomes more manageable and efficient, as it provides a structured and standardized approach to software development and upkeep. This allows for easy updates, bug fixing, and enhancement, ultimately leading to smoother maintenance processes and improved long-term sustainability. Previously, a system development required building everything from scratch, including login, authentication, database connection, and more. Now, the ready-made framework e-Govframe offers common reusable components and supports database connectivity, transactions, and log processing, and so on. e-Govframe allows developers to focus on their business logic, enhancing productivity, quality, and cost reduction. Framework-based development methods contribute to increased productivity and efficiency. With the e-Govframe, developers can leverage existing components and functionalities, saving time and resources in system development. Before the standardization of IGA-Frame, redundant development of similar functionalities such as login bulletin boards led to increased budget. Moreover, the high dependencies on major corporations which owned different software frameworks limited business opportunities for small and medium-sized enterprises in subsequent projects. However, with the IGA-Frame and the reuse of common components, the efficiency of budget reduction has been maximized. Additionally, this standardization has significantly increased business opportunities for small and medium-sized enterprises. The Korean government totally bought into open innovation as a strategy to build IGA-Frame successfully. We went through 4 important steps. First, we checked and picked out open sources involving 11 big and medium-sized companies that contributed their knowledge to develop IGA-Frame. In this phase, we defined the basic functions and structures and set up a policy for selecting open sources. We meticulously evaluated 175 potential open sources, carrying out logical and physical tests, and ultimately chose 48 major open sources. The second step, called open process, included gathering over 500 opinions through 20 industry sessions. We considered the diverse perspectives and various issues, incorporating feedback from relevant parties into the decision-making process. The third step focused on open outputs. We made all the open sources, including outputs, available for free to the public. People can download the source code from the portal site and also from the public GitHub repository. So far, around 15,000 developers have received training, and over 6,000 projects have successfully adopted IGA-Frame. The downloads have reached out about 1 million as of last month. These achievements led to winning 3 categories at the FutureGov Awards in 2010 and obtaining the CMMI certificate. The fourth and final step involved establishing an open ecosystem by creating an open community that includes both large and small enterprises. The main purpose of this community is to encourage developers to fully embrace and utilize IGA-Frame. In a nutshell, the Korean government's wholehearted commitment to open innovation paved the way for the successful development of IGA-Frame. We went through the steps of verifying, selecting open sources, engaging in an open decision-making process, providing open outputs to the public, and fostering an open ecosystem through community participation. These efforts gained recognition and widespread adoption, and driving the remarkable success of IGA-Frame. So, here's what we did. First, we defined the basic functions and architecture of the framework. We took a closer look at the functional requirements of the framework, and then processed the design common components that would meet those requirements. Next, we established a policy for selecting open source software using an internationally recognized standard for software product evaluation. When it comes to selecting open source software licenses, we made sure to choose licenses that had no restrictions on distribution and use. This allowed for greater flexibility and ensured that the selected software could be freely shared and utilized. We then conducted both logical and physical tests on the OSS candidates. In the logical test, we carefully classified the candidates based on their functional and non-functional requirements. We also checked for any integration or interface restrictions. After the logical test, we moved on to the physical test, which involved hands-on testing of the software basic functions and non-functional requirements, all to ensure high-quality software. Finally, after a thorough evaluation process, we were able to select and incorporate 48 open source software into our framework. Is EGAFRAME mandatory for e-government services in South Korea? No, EGAFRAME is not mandatory for e-government services, but it is highly recommended. The reason for recommending EGAFRAME is its proven ability to enhance the efficiency of public service development. It has been successfully used to develop major public services across various fields, including tax, finance, automobile, health, administration, and media, thereby improving system quality. In South Korea, EGAFRAME is widely recognized and utilized as a national software framework. It is specifically mentioned in legal documents such as the Information Service Promotion Regulations and e-government guidelines for the establishment of information systems. EGAFRAME is not limited to a specific domain and has been implemented in diverse areas such as food, health, education, insurance, and even in disaster management. As of this year, the adoption rate of EGAFRAME has reached 67%. Over 860 projects have been officially evaluated for its implementation, and in total, more than 6,000 projects have adopted EGAFRAME so far. EGAFRAME is comprised of 4 distinct environments, each serving a specific purpose. The development environment is a collection of development tools consisting of 4 service toolsets. It provides developers with the necessary tools and resources for efficient software development. The runtime environment forms the foundation for software applications. It offers the fundamental functionality required to run applications smoothly. Additionally, it includes common runtime modules that are essential for running software applications. The operation environment facilitates system monitoring by leveraging information collected through agent programs. It equips operators with a range of tools to effectively manage and operate information system built on EGAFRAME. Lastly, the management environment ensures the systematic and efficient management of EGAFRAME. It encompasses processes for continuous improvement, version upgrades, and handling service requests. This environment plays a crucial role in the ongoing maintenance and enhancement of EGAFRAME. We also provide updates for our components, which include 253 common components offering reusable functions. These common components can be considered as a sample codes that you can reuse and customize according to your needs. Think of these common components as examples that guide you on how to use EGAFRAME effectively. They're like model houses in the housing market. Just like when you want to see how a house will look, you can visit a model house and gain inspiration for various elements such as doors and doorknobs or light bulbs. Similarly, with common components, you can select and incorporate as many components as you need, such as login features, bulletin boards, usage statistics, and more. It's worth noting that these common components are derived from the components commonly utilized by large companies, ensuring their reliability and suitability for a wide range of applications. EGAFRAME utilizes 3 environments: in runtime environments, development environments, and operation environments to manage the lifecycle of EGAFRAME-based systems. Runtime environment provides the foundation for analysis, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and operation of software applications. It offers runtime modules and tools for efficient application development and smooth system operation. Development environment supports developers throughout the software development lifecycle. It provides tools, templates, and code samples for analysis, design, implementation, testing, and deployment tasks. It ensures compatibility and integration with the EGAFRAME. Operation environment enables effective management of EagerFrame-based information system during the operational phase. It offers tools for monitoring, controlling, and managing system performance and stability. It collects and analyzes system information for proactive monitoring and issue resolution. Over the years, EagerFrame has undergone significant changes and updates. It was initially launched as EagerFrame version 1 in June 2009, offering 219 common components under the Information Service Promotion Regulations. Through a 5-step development process, it evolved until the release of version 2.5 in December 2012. Recognizing the increasing importance of mobile development and the rising use of mobile phones, mobile upgrade versions were introduced in 2013. EagerFrame version 3.9 integrated the latest Apache Cordova, enabling the development of mobile hybrid applications. Further enhancements for mobile capabilities were introduced in version 3.10. Since version 3.0, a new version of EagerFrame has been released every year. The most recent release, version 4.1, became available in March of this year. Notably, it introduced support for Spring Boot, enabled the development of cloud-native applications through reactive programming. The second outcome of EagerFrame is its global propagation. EagerFrame has been successfully implemented in 33 projects across 17 countries, starting with Vietnam and Mexico. Since 2012, the National Information Society Agency has signed memorandums of understanding with various countries and organizations, including Vietnam, Nigeria, Mexico, Cote d'Ivoire, Uzbekistan, South Africa, Vigo, and Sudan. In 2012, the Ministry of the Interior and Safety and NIA signed the MOU with Da Nang City in Vietnam. As a result, a 4-day educational session was conducted for Vietnamese software developers in response to a request from Da Nang City. This session aimed to support their development efforts. Overall, EagerFrame's influence has expanded globally through partnerships, collaborations, and knowledge-sharing initiatives with various countries and organizations. And the EagerFrame Center was established in 2010. The center plays a crucial role in providing various services to support the adoption and utilization of EagerFrame. At the EagerFrame Center, we offer consulting and training services to assist organizations in effectively implementing EagerFrame. We provide expert guidance and knowledge transfer to ensure smooth adoption and integration of the framework. Additionally, the center conducts compatibility verification processes. This involves analyzing the source code and conducting interoperability tests to ensure that the EagerFrame is compatible with various systems and technologies. Compatibility certificates are issued to commercial products to the private sector, confirming their compatibility with EagerFrame. Furthermore, the EagerFrame Center is responsible for overseeing major upgrades, as well as research and development improvement. We continuously enhance the framework's capabilities and address emerging needs in the field of e-government services. Technical support is also provided to assist organizations in resolving any challenges they may encounter during the implementation and operation of EagerFrame. To ensure transparency and accessibility, the EagerFrame Center follows a standardized process for issuing compatibility certificates. This involves 10 steps ranging from registration to the issuance and publication of the certificate. The compatibility certification service is available to companies seeking to determine the compatibility of their commercial solutions with eGovFrame. In summary, the eGovFrame Center serves as a vital resource for consulting, training, compatibility verification, major upgrades, research and development improvement, and technical support. Its role is to facilitate the successful adoption and utilization of eGovFrame, both in public and private sectors, by providing comprehensive services and ensuring compatibility with a wide range of systems. And that concludes my presentation. I hope that this presentation has provided you with valuable insights into eGovFrame and its potential benefits. My aim is to help you become familiar with eGovFrame and inspire to consider its adoption in your country or organization in the near future. Once again, thank you for your time and attention. I hope that this presentation has sparked your interest and led you to view eGovFrame as a valuable framework for advancing e-government services in your own context. If you have any questions and would like to discuss further, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.